morning to everyone. See, in this video, they discuss about the vector and the Cartesian equation of the plane. See, in the concept based 5 important different types of problems. So, previous video up to third problem completed. So, now let's see that question number 4. See, find the normal vector to the plane. Okay, find the normal vector to the plane. Also, find the unit vector normal to the plane. Also find the unit vector and normal to the plane. This is a question. This is a one more questions are asking many times, and again two more question answer. So what's the find the normal vector? Okay, to the plane. Also find the unit normal vector given. So given the plane equation, what's the given plane equation? 2x minus y plus 2ez is equal to 5. This is a Cartesian form of the equation of the plane. So in the plane equation, Cartesian form, I convert the vector form. So how to convert the vector form? We know that r vector dot 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 5. This is a vector form. Okay. So vector form is a general format r vector dot, okay, you know the general formula r vector dot n vector is equal to some constant d. Is clear? This is the plane equation of plane format. But here what's the normal vector? Here n vector. But here n vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. This is a normal vector. Okay, find the normal vector. So find the normal vector. So again I need the unit normal vectors. So we know the definition of unit normal vector. That is n cap. This unit vector. Put the n cap. Is equal to n vector divided by magnitude of n vector. Is clear? So here n vector also. So what's the magnitude of n vector? You find the magnitude of n vector is equal to magnitude, that is value of square root of, here we put 4, that is 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 9, that's the value of 3, that is the magnitude of n vector. That's clear? Now we find out n cap is equal to n vector by magnitude of n vector. What's the n vector? Here 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by this 3. Okay, this is a unit normal vector. Is clear? Same above problem. Note another one important. This is note. Same like above problem. Find the direction cosines. I am asking direction cosine. What's the direction cosines? This value should be direction cosines. What's the meaning? L is equal to, that is 2 by 3. Next n is equal to minus 1 by 3. Again n is equal to 2 by 3. Why is that? What's the direction cosines? It's a direction ratio. In any vector, we have the vector 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Okay. What's the direction ratio? A vector divided by magnitude of vector. Is clear? Is the direction ratio of each value. Same way, unit normal vector. Unit normal vector, that value should be individually what the value? Directions cosines. Is clear? Okay. Next we see the question number 5. The question number 5 is a very important question. The many time asking the board paper, the 4 mark questions. What's the given? A vector n vector of magnitude 8 units. Okay. Next the inclined to the axis. X axis value 45 degree. Again y axis equal to 60 degree on acute angle of with the z axis. So you find out the z axis. If the plane passing through the point, if the plane passing through the one point and normal to n vector, find the equation of the vector form and also find the Cartesian form also. How sir? What are the given? First you find out a vector of magnitude is equal to 8 units. But just you think about given a vector magnitude, that is the magnitude of n vector is equal to what's the value? 8 units. Here include with the x axis value should be 45 degree. What meaning? That is alpha is equal to 45 degree. Is clear? Next the beta is equal to what's the z axis? 60 degree. I find out the gamma. Is clear? That is the meaning of L cos alpha. Okay, L cos 45 degree. What's the L cos 45 degree? That is equal to 1 by root 2. Is clear? Similarly, M cos 60 degree. What's cos 60 degree? That is M is equal to, that's a value of 1 by 2. Again n is equal to cos alpha I find out. Okay, n is equal to cos alpha. That is the n value. Okay, so we know that formula L square plus m square plus n square is equal to value of 1. Is clear? So n square, that is value of 1 by 2, the whole square, that is again 1 by 4 plus, that is sorry, 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 plus again 1 by 4 plus n square, that is equal to 1. That's the value of 3 by 4 plus n square is equal to 1. But here n square is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. That's the value of 1 by 4. Okay, I need that value n is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, is clear? So n is equal to the value of n is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so I find out the normal vector. Is clear? So here n cap, what's the formula? N cap is equal to here n vector by magnitude of n vector. We know that formula. Is clear? The same vector n cap is equal to n vector divided by magnitude of n vector. What the formula is in notations? Okay, this is a unit normal vector. Is clear? So again in form, it's a small change. Okay, here n cap, what's the value of n cap? That's means n I cap. Is clear? N, that is n cap is a unit normal vector. That's means rational cosine also. So n I cap plus n j cap plus n k cap is equal to n vector divided by magnitude of n vector. Now see, just you could multiple here magnitude of n vector, again n I cap plus n j cap plus n k cap is equal to n vector. Is clear? So magnitude of n vector is equal to 8. Here 8, and what's the value of n? N is equal to 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2 I cap plus n value is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 j cap plus n value is equal to 1 by 2 k cap, that is equal to n vector. What are the conclusions? Over here the normal vector n vector is equal to, just in multiple 8 by root 2 I cap, again in multiple, that is 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. Okay, that's the value of n vector. So we know the normal vector n vector. Okay, again the passing through the point, if the plane passing through the point, that is a vector, we know that a vector is equal to, what are the passing through the point? Root 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Is clear? J cap plus k cap is a vector. So we know that formula, a equation of the plane passing through the one point and normal to the vectors. Okay, what's the formula? R vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector. Is clear? Same way R vector, okay, dot, what's the value of n vector? 8 by root 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap is equal to, what's the value of a vector? A vector is equal to root 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap into n vector. This is the value of n vector. What's the value? 8 by root 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. Is clear? Just to simplify, that the value here R vector dot 8 by root 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap is equal to, just to simplify, here root 2 into again 8 by root 2. That's clear? Again next minus 4 plus 4. Okay? Just to simplify, here plus 4 minus 4 cancel, here root 2 cancel. What's the value remaining? Therefore R vector is equal to 8 by root 2 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. That's the value is equal to 8. So the given equation, entire equation, I divided by 4. And what remaining? R vector dot divided by 4 means 2 by root 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap, this is equal to 2. This is the vector equation of the plane. Next I find out the Cartesian equation. How to find the Cartesian equations? We know the simplification. Above R vector I will change xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap into, again whatever, just you will simplify. Here simplify what meaning? Root 2 will come. But here root 2 I cap, okay, plus j cap plus k cap, that is equal to 2. Okay, just simplify, root 2 x plus y plus Ez is equal to 2. This is Cartesian equation of the plane. This is a very important topic. Okay, here sometime asking the 4 mark question in our board examinations. So the vector and the Cartesian equation of the plane. Here discuss about the important 5 problems. Okay, here after you go through it audition book, and next you will go to the NCERT book. I am sure that okay you can feel very easy. Okay, this is the topic over. Next topic, the vector normal form. Okay, we will discuss the next video. Thank you, children.